Good morning, students. It's me, Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to see GK. First, we'll start with chapter 23, our universe. Okay. First one, rapidly spinning neutron stars. Which is the rapidly spinning neutron star? Option D. Answer is pulsars. Pulsars, pulsars. Option D. Okay. Next one. One of the largest basins on the Mercury. Option I. Rim of Rembrandt. Rim of Rembrandt. Next. Third one. The brightest looking star. Option N. Sirius. Next one. The planet with 67 moons. Option E. Jupiter. In Jupiter only 67 moons are there. Jupiter. Next one. Option L. Titan. Next. The galaxy closest to the Milky Way. Option J. Andromeda galaxy. Next one. Seventh one. Minor planets. Option F. Asteroids. Eighth one. The nearest star after the sun. Option M. Proxima Centauri. Next one. Ninth one. Massive and remote celestial objects giving off huge energy and located in galaxies having black holes at their center. Option K. Quasars. Next one. 10th one. Places which suck everything inside with their strong gravitational pull. Option G. Black hole. Next one. The first artificial satellite to enter Earth's orbit. Option A. Sputnik 1. The planet whose orbit is almost circular. Option O. Venus. The largest moon of Pluto, full of craters and chasms. Option C. Here it is not clear. Answer is option C. Charon. 14th one. The fastest orbiting planet. Option B. Mercury. Last one. The largest moon in our solar system. Option H. Ganymede. Okay, we'll go for the next unit. Chapter 24. Women Tech Pioneers. following clues are given. We should find the name of them. Okay. She was a mathematician and a rear admiral in the US Navy at the time of her joining the Navy during World War II. She was assigned to program Mark I computer. She and her team created the first compiler, a program that converts instruction into a code that can be read by a computer. See, this is what I told in computer. A compiler. See, this is a compiler. A compiler converts a program into a computer understandable binary code. Okay. She was the one who found it. Okay. With her team. This became the precursor of common business oriented language, COBOL. This became COBOL, common business oriented language, which would be widely used around the world. What is her name? Grace Hopper. We'll see down. For spelling, we'll refer down. Grace Hopper. GRACEHOPPER. Okay. Write it correctly. Okay. Second one. She was the first woman to earn a degree in electrical engineering from the Massachusetts Institution of Technology. She invented a eponymous calculator which solved equations involving electric current, voltage, and other aspects of electric systems much faster than existing method. In 1925, she received a patent for this calculator. What is her name? Down you refer. Her name is Edith Clarke. EDITHCLARKE. Edith Clarke. Okay, we'll go for the next question. She was the daughter of Lord Byron and Annabella Milbanke Byron. She was a mathematician and an associate of Charles Babbage. She created a program for Babbage's prototype of digital computer. She has often been considered the first computer programmer. She was often been considered as the first computer programmer. What is her name? Her name is Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Fourth one. She was a Catholic nun and was the first American woman to earn a doctorate in computer science. She contributed to the creation of BASIC. BASIC is a language, okay. She contributed to the creation of BASIC. Language means programming language. Okay, in computer I told you BASIC, COBOL, Fortran. Yeah, this BASIC she only contributed to find this logic. Language, programming language. BASIC, a general purpose programming language whose design focused on ease of use. She founded the computer science department at Clark College in Iowa. What is her name? Sister Mary Kenneth Keller. Sister Mary Kenneth Keller. Okay, that's all. We'll go for the next unit. Chapter number 25. Fascinating mathematics. We are going to study about mathematics. Here nothing to write and just they have given facts. We'll read and see, that's all. Check out these interesting facts and amazing mathematic facts. First one, 0 is an even number. I hope everyone know that. 0 is an even number. 0 is the only number that cannot be written in Roman numerals. Can you write 0 in Roman numerals? No. The opposite sides of a dice always add up to 7. Did you add and see? Opposite sides of the dice. At the top and the back side, else left and the right side. Opposite sides of the dice will always add up with 7. If you add, the total will be 7. Among all shapes which have the same perimeter, the circle has the largest area. Among all shapes which have the same perimeter, if it is of same perimeter, the circle has the largest area. 1/100th of a second is called jiffy. 1 by 100th of a second. There is a name for it, that is called jiffy. 1 second now, and 1 second is divided by 100 time means for that a name is given, that is jiffy. Okay, jiffy second. 1 by 100th of a second, jiffy. The number 1 followed by 100 zeros is called googol. Number 1 followed by 100 zeros is called gogol. Not Google, gogol. G-O-O-G-O-L, gogol. 7th one, 111, comma 111, comma 111 into 111, comma 111, comma 111 gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, sorry, 9. See clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 it is there, and from in reverse order it goes. 9, the 9 is common for both. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the calculator and do this and see. You will get like that only. These are funny facts, okay? Okay. 2 and 5 are the only prime numbers that end with 2 or 5. These two prime numbers always end with 2 or 5. All points on the surface of sphere are at the same distance from its center. All points on the surface of a sphere are at the same distance from its center. Okay, okay. A square is also a rectangle with equal sides and a rhombus with right angles. A square is always a rectangle with equal sides. A rectangle with equal sides is square, and a rhombus with right angle is square. Okay, a square is also a rectangle. Sorry, not always. It is also. A square is also a rectangle with equal sides and a rhombus with right angles. That's it. Okay. Down one activity they have given. If possible, you try and see. Not if possible. You have time now, so you try and see. Okay. Take a strip of a paper. Take a paper. Strip of a paper. Okay. Hold the tips opposite to each other. Opposite to each other in your hand. Hold the tips opposite to each other. Take a paper like this. Hold the tips opposite to each other. Invert one of two tips. Invert one of the two tips. One side you invert it. Then stick the ends of the tip together. Stick the ends of the tip together. You should get a loop twisted in the middle. In the middle, one circle like structure will be, that is loop. Now start drawing a line in the middle of the strip. Now start drawing a line in the middle of the strip after getting the loop. Where does the line end? Where does the line end? You find and see. That's all. You find and see. Okay. That's all, students. Today class is over. By the next class, we will see upcoming chapters. And the homework is nothing but read chapter 23 and 24. Okay, read chapter 23 and 24 and take the photograph of the chapter 23 and 24, because you have written the answers now. Take the photograph and send it in the group. That's all, students. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.